So here I have a plus b plus 2 to the power of 3. So this power means that I'm going to take the term that it's in between the brackets and I'm going to multiply it by itself however many times the power says. So I have a plus b plus 2, so I'm going to multiply it by itself 3 times. So that's 2 times, and that's 3 times. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply these first two trinomials. So I have a plus b plus 2 multiplied by a plus b plus 2. I'm going to multiply these two first. So I'm going to first work with my a's. A times by a squared, a times by b, b, a times by 2 plus 2a. Okay, now let's go to the b times by a plus ab, and notice that I put the a before the b, so I'm keeping it according to the alphabet so I could combine like terms and I could quickly see them. Then I'm going to go b times by b plus b squared, then b times by 2, mark there, that's 2b. Binomial. Now my last one, 2 times by a, 2a, 2 times by b, 2b, 2 times by 2, add by 4. So now I have this huge polynomial here. I'm going to clean it up and collect like terms. So work with your highest exponent first. So the highest exponent is the square, the 2. So I have a to the 2. Okay. Is there any more a to the 2's? No more a to the 2's. Okay, let's go to b to the 2's. So here's a b to the 2. Any more b to the 2's? No more b to the 2's. Okay, so then let's go to the single a. So here is the single a plus 2a. Is there any more a's? Oh, there is another a right there actually. So this is actually wrong. This should be 4. Okay, let's look again. Is there any more b's? Yeah, there's a b here and a b here. So 4b. Is there any more b's? No. And then now let's go to the ab's. There's an ab here, 2 ab, and what is not underlined? Oh, that's 1 plus 4. Okay, so now I have this polynomial. What I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply that last trinomial with this huge polynomial. So I have a plus b plus 2 times by a squared, b squared, 4a plus 4b plus 2ab plus 4. Beautiful. Okay, now same thing I did up here, one by one. A times by a squared, a cubed, a times by b squared plus a b squared, a times by 4a plus 4a squared, a times by 4b plus 4ab, a times by 2ab plus 2a squared, because there's an a there, b, plus a times by 4, 4a. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Let's go to my b's. B times by a squared, that is plus a squared b. Again, I put the a's before the b's. A times by b squared, add by b cubed. B times by 4a, add by 4ab. B times by 4b, add by 4b squared. b times by 2ab, add by 2ab squared, b times by 4, add by 4b. Okay, and the last one, 2 times by a squared plus 2a squared, 2 times by b squared plus 2b squared, 2 times by 4a, add by 8a, 2 times by 4b, add by 8b, 2 times by 2ab, add by 4ab, 2 times by 4, add by 8. Ooh, that's exhausting. Okay, now let us combine like terms and start with the highest exponents. The highest exponent is the 3, so I'm going to collect my A3s. There's no more A3s, so I have A3. Now let's go to the B3s. Where's my B3? There it is. Add by B3s. Okay, now let's go to my A squares. Oh, here's my A square. So I have that one, and do I have one more? Oh, I do. 2 and a 4 plus 6a squared. Okay, so I'm done with the a squared. Is there any b squares? There's a b squared there. Oh, and there's another b squared there. Add by 6b squared. Okay, so now I'm done. A cubes, a squareds. Now let's look for just the a to the 1s. There's one here. And is there one more 4a's? Looking. Oh, there's one there. So I have a 4 and an 8. That's 12. 12a. Now let's look for the b's. Looking. Oh, there's one there and there's one here. So that's plus 12b. Okay, so I'm done with the single letters. Now let's look at the double letters. So I'm going to go with my a squared b. So here's one here. Is there any more a squared b's? Looking. Oh, there's one right here. So I have a 2a squared b. Here's an a squared b. 2 and a 1, because there's technically a 1 there. 3a squared b. Okay, so now I'm done with the a squared. Let's look at the ab's. ab's, looking. Oh, there's an ab there. And there's another ab squared. Oh, there's another ab squared there. Add by 3ab squared. Ooh. Okay, so now I have the a squared b's and then the ab squared. Lastly, just the ab. Looking. Oh, there's an ab there. And there's another ab there. So I have 4ab there, ab there. Oh, and almost missed that one. One over there. So that means I have 12 ab's. Now, what have I left? So that's cross, good. Awesome. So the last one is just the 8. So after all of that, this here is my answer.